friends, this is Miss Jones, and we are going to do a mini lesson on asking and answering questions about stories. So this should be a review. We're going to ask and answer questions to demonstrate that we understand the text of a story, and we're going to refer explicitly to the text when we are answering these questions. So today, we're going to read about a true story. So it is a nonfiction selection, and we want to know how to ask and answer questions in a nonfiction text. Our learning target: ask about what you read and use details from the text to support your answers. We're at read. Stories are made up of characters, settings, and events. A character is a person or animal. A setting is where and when a story takes place. And an event is something that happens in a story. When reading, you can ask questions about characters, settings, and events. You can also answer questions about those same things. When you answer a question about a story, support your answer with details from the text. This will show that you understand the story. So, like I said, this is a review. We all know about the story elements, character, setting, the events, the problem, and the solution. Those are the 5 parts of our story elements. So now they want us, when we are answering questions, we need to prove where our answer came from. We have to show it. Okay, so let's look at this short passage. Erica was doing her homework. Her pencil rolled off the desk and under the bed. She was peering under the bed looking for it when she spotted an old wooden box she had never seen before. How did that get there? She asked herself. When Erica opened it, she saw gold coins glittering in the dim light. Wow, she said. I think it's a treasure chest. I am going to put my small note on the side. So I'm going to put that Erica found a box of treasure under her bed. So all I did was take this whole paragraph and I just put it into my own words, small note on the side. Think. You've learned about why it's important to ask and answer questions as you read. Now look at the chart and finish the chart to show how the questions can be answered from details in the story. So we want to make sure that we use explicit information from the story. Before we move on to that part, I'm just going to read it again because we should read it 2 or more times, correct? Erica was doing her homework. Her pencil rolled off the desk and under the bed. She was peering under the bed looking for it when she spotted an old wooden box she had never seen before. How did that get there? She asked herself. When Erica opened it, she saw gold coins glittering in the dim light. Wow, she said. I think it's a treasure chest. So now we have our graphic organizer that they want us to fill in together. So the first part, they're asking for the story detail. So let's get ready to write. What does Erica find under the bed? That's correct. She finds a box of treasure. But that's not what they wanted us to do. They wanted us to use specific information from the story. So we need to use story details. So I'm going to look at it again. What does Erica find under the bed? So this is coming directly from the text. She was peering under the bed when she spotted an old wooden box she had never seen before. Okay? So now if we just want to go ahead and answer the question, now is where we would just go ahead and put in the answer to the question. So we have our story details, but what did she find under the box, under the bed? I'm sorry. And the answer is she found a wooden box. Now, I want us to make sure that we understand where we have the story details. This is coming directly from the text. Where we have the answer, this is simply what is the answer for the question. But the story details help us to answer the question. Our next question is, why does Erica think she has found a treasure chest? Why does she think that? So if we're using information explicitly from the text, if we are using actual story details and we're answering why does Erica think she has found a treasure chest, we're going to put, when Erica opened it, she saw gold coins glittering in the dim light. So, did I get this sentence directly from the story? Is this a correct, accurate story detail? Yes, it is. This is information from the story. But when I just want to simply answer it using the story details, and I'm going to look at the question again. How does Erica think, why does Erica think she has found a treasure chest? And the answer is gold coins are very valuable. Gold coins are very valuable. So if something is a treasure, then that means it means a lot to you. It has a specific meaning to you. And so it's very valuable. And having gold coins, that's very valuable to have that much that many things in her chest. So just to summarize, we want to make sure that we use story details to help us answer the questions. And that's it for this mini lesson. Thank you.